here are both of the, what are these? Acrylic stands. They have a plastic seal on it. I don't want to take it off yet. The back doesn't have anything. Anyways, that's what it looks like. I have like anime ones, but not a BL one, I guess. A real one. Let's check if everything else is in here. So we have the lenticular photo cards, the L holder, on the random gift thingy. Like if you buy a certain amount, you get this. There was either like their real pictures or this, their cartoon version. I knew I was gonna get the cartoon version. And then we have their, what is it? The headshot pictures, and then their ID cards in this one. Yeah, so I got everything. Let me just show this real quick. This is tail. And then this is Sangwoo. Chose their spiciest lines. Let's open up this one. This is their headshots. Which, how much was this? This was like $5. I don't know what we're supposed to be doing with this. Like, it's just a bunch of their headshots. Like legit just picture. Honestly, so far the acrylic stands are like my favorite things. Let's check out the ID. Oh, she's falling out. Okay, so this is their ID card. Why did I buy it? Don't know. Don't really know. There's like your like class times and stuff. Oh, they signed it. That's cool. He just wrote a heart. Ma'am, please. Let's look at this. This is the L holder. Mini L holder. This is so far my second favorite thing. Didn't we get these photo cards in the... I'm pretty sure I have this photo card already. Anyways, this is what the mini L holder looks like. It's cool. I like it. I really hate when I get these though. Like, I really don't really know what to do with them. Don't put paperwork or anything in it. Let's look at these photo cards. I'm pretty sure I have these from the... Pretty sure this is the same one, but this one's different. These ones are different. Wow, we love throwing it. Yeah, this is the back. Hold on. Okay, they're slightly different, but they're basically the same thing. Let's look at the photo cards. These are the lenticular photo cards. This first one, the kiss. Cute. The next one, cute. This is honestly my favorite kiss scene. Next one. Yep, there's 3. The back's all the same. And then last but not least, the postcards. Wow, there's actually a lot. This is thick. Yes. Like legit actual postcards. I love sending postcards to my friends. They don't really like BL or know anything about it, but yeah, we're gonna send random ones to them now. All the back looks the same. These like solo picture ones, my friends will not understand anything, which is great. This is a cute picture. Wow. We love emotions. Oh, his rosy cheeks. And they make out. Sir, what are you looking at? Eyes are up here. Everyone's favorite part. Look how tiny he is though, like, he's so cute. This part was very, very sensual. And that's it. That was quite a lot. I don't know what I was really expecting. But so far, my favorite thing is the acrylic stands. But yeah, that's it. We have some postcards, acrylic stand, L holder. Yeah, the acrylic stands are my favorite. I like the L holder, then these lenticular photo cards, and then the postcards. These ones are, what am I supposed to do? I'm just gonna like get them as photo cards, I guess. Then we have some new photo cards, which I'll add to my random J-chan photo card section. She's really thick. Ooh, nice. Look at that, how clear she is. It's so cute. Definitely gonna have this on my desk.